Hello, I hope you are all doing great. Today we will see how to create a directory website with listings that have a high level of functionality. We'll explore how you can interact with different types of directory websites, including hotel directories, restaurant directories, medical sites, real estate platforms, or any other type of website requiring listing some items. In this lecture, we will use WordPress to create our website using the Listdomer theme. Listdomer consists of the Listdom plugin, which works as an engine and provides extensive tools to build the best directory website. This platform offers a variety of options for displaying your listings and directories. You can display them in a grid layout, a list format, or in other visually appealing arrangements. After launching your WordPress website, you need to install the Listdomer theme from the WordPress repository. To do this, go to the Appearance menu and click on the Theme menu. Here, follow the steps to add a new theme. Then go to the Add New Theme section and search for the Listdomer theme. Once you find the Listdomer, click on the Install button and wait for the installation process to finish, then activate it. After activation, at the top of the dashboard, you will see a message indicating that the theme needs to install some plugins. They are required and allow you to import the demos. To do this, click on the Begin Installing the Plugins link. Select all the plugins, click on the Install options from the drop-down menu, and then click Apply. This will install the necessary plugins that enable the full functionality of the Listdomer theme on your site. After installing and activating the plugins, return to the WordPress dashboard. Here, you'll notice that two new menus, Listdom and Listings, have been added to the dashboard. And these two menus are part of the Listdom plugin, which acts as the engine for managing, organization, and settings of the directories. Now, to import the demo, as shown at the beginning of the video, we need to load the general demo available in Listdomer. To do this, go to the Listdomer menu and click on the Demo Import menu. Then click on the Import Demo Data section. Follow the on-screen instructions. Simply click Continue and Import to load all of the required plugins and data. Wait for the data to be automatically created on your website. Once completed, the listings, taxonomies, pages, and other relevant details will appear on your site. After the demo is fully imported, you can view the website. Finally, go to the main page of your website. Now, you'll see a website identical to what was shown at the beginning of the video. You can customize all parts of this website and add your own directories and taxonomies as needed. You can also use Elementor Page Builder to easily modify sections, containers, and other elements. Additionally, you can utilize shortcodes and Listdom components to build custom directories and taxonomies. Now I want to demonstrate how to add sections to your website and control what is displayed. So I open the WordPress dashboard. First, let's access the Listdomer theme settings and explore the available options. Under the Listdomer menu, you'll find various sections that allow for website customization and layout development. To learn more details about each section, you can refer to our special tutorials on organizing the Listdomer theme settings on our documentation website. Now, let's go directly to Listdom. As explained, Listdom serves as the engine for your directory system. Several menus are located here, and each section is explained in full detail in the documentation. For a better understanding, let's quickly go to the Settings section. Here you'll find various menus. Let's take a look at the Map Module section to see what it has. In this section, you can enter your Google Map API key to enable Google Map features on your website. Google Map integration is essential for Listdom, and you'll need an API key from Google to activate it. Once this is done, you'll be able to display listings on the maps. Let's move on to Listings Taxonomies. Hit the Listings menu and click on the Categories. Here you will see pre-registered categories added by the demo importer. You can use these as a reference to add your own ones. Think about it like this. Each category can be customized with an icon and a color. The good news is that Listdom offers 5 taxonomies in its free version, allowing you to organize your listings with tags, locations, features, and labels. One of the best parts This setup helps you customize and organize your website efficiently. These taxonomies will be displayed on the front end in various sections. If I navigate to the main page of the website, I'll see listings labeled as exclusive, SVIP, or in the categories of restaurant, auto repair, and real estate. But how about the listings themselves? If you click on any of these listings, you'll see their details like features and tags that help organize and enhance the directories. Listings can be edited by clicking on the All Listings menu in the WordPress dashboard. When you import the demo, sample listings are automatically added. You can customize these samples one by one to fit your specific needs. To add a new listing, simply click on the Add New Listing section at the top. This allows you to add new listings to your website. Let's open the sample barbershop listing as an example. After clicking on it, you'll see several options to edit and add information about this listing. The first field to enter the data is the listing name. You can update the title and description in their respective sections. To preview the changes on the front end, simply view the listing live. The title appears at the top with the descriptions displayed underneath. You can customize each part of the listing to meet your requirements and achieve the desired look. Another critical point to consider in a directory site is how to show a list of the directories in different styles. The Listdom allows you to showcase your listings in various ways using different skins and views. These can be accessed under the Skins menu. For instance, if I select the half map skin, you'll see listings displayed alongside a map. Clicking on any marker on the map will open an info window with its details. Other available skins include List, Grid, List plus Grid, Masonry, Table, Slider, Carousel, Cover, and Side-by-Side skin. For example, clicking on Masonry skin will display the listings in a dynamic grid layout with filters. To manage these skins, go to your website dashboard, navigate to the Shortcode section under Listdom, and create shortcodes to display listings in different skins. To create a new shortcut, click the Add New Shortcut button. You'll need to decide on the layout style, such as carousel, masonry, table, or half map, and configure these settings accordingly. For more detailed customization, you can change these options and refer to the Listdom documentation. Let's open an existing shortcode for demonstration. For instance, the table shortcode displays listings in a table format. Here, selecting Table Skin reveals how the listings appear. This section uses a shortcode to render the listings. By editing the shortcode, any changes will be reflected on the front end. You can manage these shortcodes in the back end. The Listdom powerful shortcode builder gives you the ability to organize the different elements of the listing to be displayed on the table. You can easily position them in the order you prefer. Also, you can make them active or inactive. Additionally, you can rename their titles in a way you like. For example, I changed the listing title to Title and saved it. If I go to the front section, you'll see that our title has also changed to Title here, whereas before it was just the listing title. In this way, you can design and create different tables with professional details. The next point about lists is that there are search and filter forms that can be used in various parts of the website. Like the skins, these forms also can be accessed using shortcodes. You can assign a form to a skin shortcode and filter the listings to find what you need. For example, if I select a specific category, I will only see its listings. If I go to the home page of my website, you will also notice a search form in the Hero section. For instance, if I search for auto here and click search, I'll be redirected to the search results page. The system will look for the word auto and display the listings containing that here. You can also add alternative search forms to your website. To do this, go to the dashboard, navigate to the Listdom menu, and select the Search and Filter Builder section. Here you can create alternative forms by clicking the Add New Search Form button. The forms imported via the demo importer will also be visible. For example, the search form displayed on the main page of the website is located here, and you'll see all the fields included in that form. You can manage and display these fields as needed. At the bottom, you'll see a yellow bar with the More Options section. which can easily hide some fields at first glance. The filters displayed in this section can also be customized. In this way, you can display the fields you need, or if you prefer, you can create a new search form, give it a name, and transfer the required filters. You can also include additional features in the More Options section. After configuring the form, organizing the results page becomes very straightforward. You simply select the page where the results will be displayed and add the corresponding shortcode. This method allows you to create an efficient website with well-structured listings, making it easy for users to find what they need. As mentioned earlier, the demo importer has added many files to your website, which you can use to explore various functionalities. The taxonomies we discussed can have their own dedicated styles, which are located here. Listdom also provides shortcodes that allow you to display categories, labels, locations, and other data in the most effective way possible. For example, if we want to view the details of these elements, you'll see that each one has its own shortcode, making them very easy to use. Detailed explanations about these shortcodes can be found in the Listdom documentation. Additionally, this theme offers a well-designed style for your blog, single post, and archive pages. It also includes pages for About Us and Contact Us, all of which are compatible with Elementor and can be customized. In this way, you can access all the necessary components for your website. And now let's see the most important part of the directory website, which is the front-end dashboard that allows the users to submit listings directly through the front end without accessing the WordPress dashboard. But to do that, and because I want to show you the full process of accessing the dashboard, I just log out of the site to show you how a fresh user will use the site to submit a listings. As you can see here, now I am logged out. And as a fresh user, I just see this authentication page, which contains the login form. And I just select my username and password and fill out the security CAPTCHA to log in. When I log in, then as you can see, now I can access the front-end dashboard. So I click this icon or this button. And as you can see here, I can see all of the listings that I am the owner of them, or if I am the administrator of the site, I can see the listings of all the users of the site. The listings may be in different statuses, like published, draft, pending, expired, or any other, based on the add-ons of the Listdom that are installed on your site. When a user wants to submit a new listing, they just click on the Add Listing button here, and as you can see, they can enter all of the information that are required for the listing here. Then through the setting, the admin of the site can just determine which of these modules here, for example, the category, the location map, or any other option, should be required or not. Or basically, they should exist here or they should be removed. And so all the things that the user needs to submit their listings are appeared here. Now we have all of the things that are needed for our listing directory, and I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Please feel free to contact Listdom support to ask your questions, and we're here to help you.